This is Doug Brunk for Global Medical News Network.
Climate change is going to be the defining issue of the 21st century.
Dr. Sigfrid Muller, Emeritus Professor and Chair of the Mayo Clinic College of Medicine, presented a talk entitled Climate Change, a defining issue of the 21st century from the Las Vegas Dermatology Seminar sponsored by the Skin Disease Education Foundation.
From my perspective, I'm interested more in how it will affect dermatology and dermatological diseases. And in dermatology, this has to do mainly with many diseases that are transmitted by the bites of ticks, sandflies, mosquitoes, by the infestation of animals, dogs, monkeys, opossums, rats, etc. As the climate change influences their ecosystem, they move on. And as they move on, then they take the diseases with them.
How can dermatologists improve their understanding of climate change? How can they get more involved in the topic?
Well, I would encourage them to join the International Society of Dermatology. What we're trying to do is to document how these changes are occurring. For example, malaria has doubled in Colombia with climate change. The fact that Lyme disease now occurs in Canada, whereas it never occurred in Canada before because now that gets warmer. But there are a number of diseases, and all of these diseases tend to occur hit underdeveloped countries much harder than the developed countries, because the developed countries can make changes to account for this, for any changes that are occurring. Poor countries can't. So this is another problem that we have, is how can we equitably assist some of these poorer countries so that they will be able to have a reasonable lifestyle in today and tomorrow.
For Global Medical News Network, this is Doug Brunk.